Are you looking for the best foldable keyboards in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best foldable keyboards that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. VFUN Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This folding keyboard is a pocket-accommodating module. This model also works with both iOS and Android operating devices. Moreover, the Bluetooth technology keeps your devices wirelessly connected up to a distance of 10 meters. The inbuilt lithium battery makes this keyboard work for almost 40 hours. Nevertheless, the keyboard has the construction of wear-resistant PU leather. Furthermore, this module is an ideal pick for long business trips. The automatic shut-off function sends this battery to sleep mode. Therefore, this keyboard consumes a lesser charge when unused. However, you can quickly store this unit inside your backpack. The battery has a 180-day standby time, as well. At number 4. Sungwu Foldable Keyboard. A rolling keyboard is something now that you can add to your cart. The flexible keyboard readily fits inside a backpack or pocket. Moreover, the soft material lets you type without disturbing others. The silicone material makes this keyboard ultra-durable. Nevertheless, you can use water or alcohol-based cleaners to clean this device. You will also require no waterproof layer to protect this keyboard. Furthermore, the resilient silicone material never traps dust, moisture, and odor. This keyboard consists of 103 pieces of keys. However, you can use this model with your PC, laptop, and other devices. You will only need a USB cable to use this device. At number 3. Guys Folding Bluetooth Keyboard. This low-profile foldable keyboard offers a smart formal look. The Bluetooth-enabled keyboard lets you quickly establish a wireless connection to different devices. Moreover, this standalone tri-fold module folds down compactly. The design of this keyboard maintains the natural 85% spacing between the keys. Therefore, you can type flexibly without compromising the speed. The smart device also automatically goes to sleep mode. Furthermore, the aluminum alloy construction reinforces the structure of this keyboard. The inbuilt kickstand holders let you place your electronic devices. However, the dual Bluetooth channels increase the practicality of this module. This portable keyboard easily fits inside a backpack as well. At number 2. iClever Folding Bluetooth Keyboard. The sensitive touchpad discards the requirements of carrying a mouse. Hence, this foldable keyboard is always ready for your traveling. Moreover, this device makes the perfect choice for travelers and businesspersons. The keyboard comes with universal compatibility. Hence, you can use this device without various operating systems. However, the multi-point touchpad makes operation fluid. The aluminum frame also extends the lifespan of this device. The Bluetooth technology lets this keyboard connect up to 3 devices at once. Furthermore, the provided mobile stand helps you to complete your work with convenience. Nevertheless, the function key lets you switch the devices from one to another. At number 1. iClever Bluetooth Keyboard with Backlight. Backed by Bluetooth V5.1 technology, this foldable keyboard connects to devices instantly. However, this smart Bluetooth version significantly reduces signal interferences. Moreover, this module works with PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The aircraft-grade aluminum alloy construction makes this keyboard feel ultra-light. However, this metal keyboard offers exceptional durability and impact resistance. The convenient keys also offer user-friendly operation. Furthermore, the wireless connection lets you control your electronic devices from 33 feet away. The backlit function allows you to change the beam color accordingly. Nevertheless, this ultra-thin keyboard folds down silently and smoothly. This compact module supports both wired and wireless operations as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.